Just giving you a quick panoramic view as we take our tour of this home in East Tucson with beautiful mountain views. This property is pretty amazing. It's actually very unique. So it actually sits on a 4-acre parcel of land, which is very cool. And this is our classic construction. It's a burnt adobe block there, as you can see as we walk down this path to get to the front entrance here. If you haven't already done so, please like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the great Tucson home tour videos and our other content as well. But here's the entrance here as we go in. So this property is, like I said, is pretty unique. You got the interior adobe walls, and you got the open wood ceiling. This wood was actually taken from Mount Lemmon, which is a mountain here in Tucson, and it opens up right into kitchen, dining room area with saltillo tile as well. So yeah, if you're liking the rustic southwestern look, this is definitely a property for you. So this property is listed as a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. There is a main area here, which is the bedrooms, where we'll check out first. And there's 2 bedrooms here, and then the 2 bathrooms as well. So you have this one, which is kind of like your guest bedroom. And then that opens up, that's the door back to the entrance. And then there's a little hallway here, a short hallway, and again going back to the entrance. But if we turn to the left, you have like the main guest bathroom here, which is very cool. All this stuff is really rustic and unique. You got the tile in here, you got the dual sinks. This home, built in 1967, has been fully updated with new windows. There's also a walk-in shower here. You got a bench in there and everything. This is definitely a super cool place. Also over here you have a tub, like a garden tub as well. You know, just based on the age of this property, built in 1967, all this stuff has been, updated and added by the owners. And then back to the hall. Now if we go this way, this is going to lead into the 2nd bedroom here, and it opens up into some wood flooring. Oh, I'm sorry. my mistake. This place is so big. This is actually the closet. Big giant walk-in closet there for that first suite. And then the hallway's right here. Some hall closets and storage, and then this goes up to the 2nd bedroom here. Again, you got the wood flooring, some closets, wood paneling up there, and again you still have the open wood ceiling. And then there's a guest bathroom up here as well, or bathroom just for this particular bedroom, also with dual sinks. This was really cool. I thought this feature with the shower was really neat. They did. It's actually rock there. I have it on the wall right by in the shower. Pretty neat. Pretty cool. Very rustic feel. All right, as we head out of the 2 bedrooms here, there's the hallway, the bathroom, other bedroom, main entrance and kitchen area. Gonna come through here. You got nice archways, and this kind of steps down a couple steps to a different, like a little level here. And this is like your main living room area. It's just on the other side of the kitchen. That TV, there's actually a fireplace behind there, but they have the TV there. Again, they liked the wood paneling and the artwork. Some tile in here. And then this opens up to the outside, to the back patio. And we can go ahead and step out there really fast. So there's a pool down there. This is a multi-level yard here. And again, this property is 4 acres. So there's a garage over here, and you can see that horse corral off in the distance. That fence is kind of the property line, and it goes way over that way and then way to the west as well. You can see that red building out there still on this property. It's 4 acres. Now down here, this is right below the 2nd bedroom we looked at. As we walk down here, there's an actual 3rd room, and it's a suite. It could be a guest quarters, or it's a bedroom, whatever you want to call it. But it's literally like its own little suite here. It's definitely been lived in, but it's a small room. It's like a single room with a bathroom. So like I said, it's kind of like a guest quarters. But this is where they're calling the 3rd bedroom on the listing, which is cool. They have a closet, you know, shower, walk-in shower there. Pretty much what you need for, and there's a toilet behind the door. Pretty much what you need for like a guest quarters or they call them a mother-in-law suite out here sometimes. So just moving back out to the yard here, we're gonna walk back up the porch here. And then I want to show you the other side of the house. So there's the interior there where we came, the kitchen, living room. Walking over here, we got, you know, looking down over the pool. Nice big barbecue. Now, all pavers and everything out here. Super great place for some people to be over in the evening. You know, you can see that happening. But as we go into this other big room, this is like just off the other side of the kitchen there. This is like, they got it set up as like a bar, but it's just another giant living room area. Really big space, probably at least 500 square feet in here. Again, this property still has the wood there exposed. Saltile tile as well in here. But just a real big like rec room kind of thing. It's got his guitar. And of course they have, you can't have a Western, you know, house, Western motif without a bar, man. Super cool there. So you got the bar all set up, bar stools, and your spirits. But as we go through here, this cuts back to the kitchen, and there's your laundry. Laundry right there. These countertops have been upgraded, they're granite. Nice big fridge. So this is like kind of like your utility room. And this is the door that heads it back out. You got your water heater and stuff. And a storage closet, cleaning stuff. But yeah, utility room right in between the, you know, the big rec room, and then the kitchen is right here. So we went back in a big circle around there. Saw the kitchen. There's the entryway to the living room. This is just another angle of the kitchen. And again, it's all granite countertops, saltile tile. Got a really nice light fixture up there. And then there's that. So let's head back outside. And that pretty much wraps it up.